Welcome to the playground, where pets can't talk. They run, they jump, they laugh, they squawk.
Let's race to the slide,
Says a bouncing pup, and the kitten meows. Last one, there's a buttercup. Talking pets come out and play. They chatter and giggle all the day, on the swings and down the slide, with furry friends on every side. The parrot sings, let's fly real high. The bunny says, I'm learning to skydive. A lizard tells jokes by the jungle gym, and a hamster squeaks, come roll with him. Talking pets come out and play. They chatter and giggle all the day, on the swings and down the slide, with furry friends on every side. The goldfish chats from a bubble pool. I love recess, it's super cool. A turtle raps in a bouncy beat, while cats do flips on monkey feet. They giggle, they whisper, they share their dreams, while building castles and bouncing on beams. It's a playground world of wagging tails, where every story has happy trails. As the sun sets and yawns appear, the talking pets all cuddle near. Good night, says pup, sweet dreams, says cat, but tomorrow